right, guys, so the Alante, the Jayco Alante, I really like the Alante product because what it is, it's a Class A motorhome, which is going to have kind of the city bus front feel, but it's in the size of a Class C. So the Alante brings Class C sizing, which makes them a little bit more nimble and easy to get around in maybe a more populated area, but it also has a lot of the same features that we're going to see on the Class A motorhome. So it's going to have the great storage underneath because of the way the frame is. This particular model has a cool outdoor kitchen area. So we got a refrigerator, something you typically don't see on a motorized product. So we've got it on the Alante. We've got some outdoor entertainment here. So if you are someone that likes to go to those college games or do some tailgating, man, this is a pretty good unit for that. And I'm sure it would look good all loaded up with your favorite team. So let the party begin. Just a great floor plan. With the Class A, we do have the ability to turn those seats around so we can bring them into the conversation up front. Phil can spin around and look at that. And Phil, if you want to pan up, you can see that we actually have a bed that drops down. So we have supplementary sleeping, much like in a Class C, but we can bring that bed up out of the way in this Class A and just give it a lot more living area for the size of the coach, and that's where we can get away with that 29, 30 foot floor footprint. Wonderful seating here, really comfortable. See the TV, again for sports unit, we can move this TV around so it can be viewed at multiple locations. Great seating area, turns in the bed as well. And then just kind of, it flows very nicely into the bedroom area. So great working bathroom, perfect size. I like when I take a shower, I like to be able to get out of the shower and turn around. In an RV, sometimes that's a little tough. Definitely not the case in this guy here. Bedroom is of ample size to get it done well. Again, with the addition of the bed over the driver's area, we can sleep multiple people in this, or a couple couples, or bring kids with us or whatever. So if you are tailgating and you get to hang out a little bit longer, or you've partook in some of the adult beverages too long, great way to bring and have a bunch of people sleep with you if need be. Lots of counter space here. Great size refrigerator. This thing's got a slide out that pretty much encompasses the whole side of this RV. So that's how we can open it up, and that smaller footprint going down the road and making it easier to park. Once we get to our destination, we can open it up and gain a lot more room inside. So I really love the Alante product, and I think it's something, if you are in the Class A market or even in the Class C market, take a look at the Alante and see what it brings to the table. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.